Peace be unto you, my dear friends. My name is David Malinsky, and this is project number 2. But before we dive into the project, let's look into the Word of God and see what the verse of this video has for you and I. In the book of Acts, chapter 20, verses 35, it is more blessed to give than to receive. As you can see, the old broken spatula can't work no more, so let's make a new one. Now the verse that we read, it is more blessed to give than to receive. I'm going to share 4 points about this verse and a final key for thought. Point number 1, a call to generosity. Whether material support, time, love, or kindness, a giving heart brings joy and fulfillment. Point number 2, spiritually and emotionally rewards. It shifts focus away from self-centeredness and towards serving others, which leads to a deeper sense of purpose and joy. Now, let's look at point number 3, a reflection of Jesus' life. Jesus himself exemplified this principle through his ministry and his ultimate sacrifice on the cross for you and I. Point number 4, trust in God's provision. Giving requires faith. Trusting that God will provide for you and others through you. The key thought is this: true blessing isn't in what we receive, but in how much we give. A life of generosity leads to joy, deeper faith, and a closer walk with Christ. Let this verse, Acts chapter 20, verse 35, it is more blessed to give than to receive, be a verse that you can think about for this whole week. And this verse that can change your life if you apply it truly every single day. God bless you. Here is the finished project that we created. It's a little bit bigger, longer, but I think this cherry spatula looks phenomenal. What do you think? And going forward, everything that I'm going to be making is going to have a carved or burn in "He is greater than I" logo. I don't have a burn "He is greater than I," so I had to carve it out and darken oxidation so it looks like burnt, but it's carved in. I want to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think about this spatula? The next project that I'm going to be creating here is need to have a wall closet storage for the hand tools that I have. So next Saturday, you will see me build either the box or the left side or right side. And if you have any suggestions, what kind of hand tools you want me to have in there, please let me know. And God bless you. And until the next project, stay blessed.